Hello everyone, I'm delighted to share this that Stories Matter has completed 1 full year of creating video content, of bringing stories to you. Today I'm going to share my 1 year journey with all of you, what I have learned over the year, what are the changes that I have faced in my own self, in my confidence, in my conducting seminars or webinars or Zoom sessions. So first thing, initially when we started thinking about creating videos, the question that came to me, what is the idea? Why do you want to do it? Is it just for your hobby, or it is a time pass, or you're fond of telling stories? So the answer to each one of them and each one of you is no, it is not just for hobby. It is my passion to teach through stories, to share my 22 years of experience with each one of you, and to create classrooms which are emotionally secure, where every child feels heard. So this was the idea behind creating content. Then second thing that I want to share here, once I created my first video, it was like no, don't post it. You should not post your video till the time it is perfect. And I somehow differ from this. It is my personal opinion that your perfect can never be perfect. It keeps changing with every video, with every new content that you create, with every video. Like if I share my own journey from let's say 48th video to first video, it would have changed by itself. Your perfect also keeps changing. If you keep waiting for that one perfect video, it may never happen. Because you and I, if we are not stars, we are not celebrities, and I'm just face in the crowd. So when I start creating content, I have to be very sure that it's all right to make mistakes, and we all eventually learn from our mistakes. Third thing that I realized, that your content has to be good, intriguing, captivating with it, and we regularly worked on our content. Like I tried to bring variety of subjects like gender sensitization. I tried to touch upon social emotional aspect. I tried to bring Hindi stories. We've also created one full complete series with my creative director. So I tried to bring a lot of variety where your viewers don't get bored and they want to view you. Fourth thing, consistency, which is extremely important. If you want to leverage, if you want to reach out to more and more people, you have to post your videos on all your social media handles, and also at least one video a week. I have not been actually speaking, you can even have 3 to 4 videos a week if your resources permit, if your time permits, but I could manage, I would say, just 1 or 2 videos a week, which have reached 25,000 views on YouTube, 25,000 views on Facebook. And I used to write on Quora, and after a year when I opened, that also is 26,000 views over there. So put together on all social medias, I would say it is around 1 lakh, and my subscribers would be reaching around 1,500 on YouTube. And I have never ever advertised myself anywhere. It is all organic. It is all because of you people and your support, your compliments, your encouraging remarks, which have brought me here. So this was in terms of YouTube, and I really feel obliged, thankful to each one of you, grateful to each one of you. Please keep supporting me, and if after a year also you have still not subscribed, please subscribe me. Help me reach out to each and every parent and student who can benefit from my video. Now the last, or maybe one more point which I would want to add, that what is the work that I got through my videos. I did not have to tell people what do I do to name a few, I would say. I recorded one video for Ministry of Culture on Independence Day. I also got a call from Ministry of Education. I did one session for India Today Media Institute. I did one session for DU. I'll be doing session for engineering college students, from school to college to university. So this happened all by itself through videos. I did not have to go ask people for work. I was invited for various Zoom sessions, for teacher trainings, for story sessions. Those I have not even numbered. If I start numbering, I must be in hundreds. That has gone over the full year. So what is it that I as a person gain? I feel I am much more confident. I am not any more camera shy. You just switch on camera and I am right there recording myself, and it takes me exactly 5 minutes. There is no rehearsal or retake. We just switch it on and we record it. This is how within a year my full process of content creation has brought me here. Of course, without viewers, without you, it's not possible. So it is very important to keep in touch with your viewers, to take feedback, to take every feedback very seriously. I am thankful to each one of you. Keep supporting me, keep guiding me. Stay safe, stay healthy. This is Indu Punj signing off. Thank you.